Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Aglasam School. So today in this video we are going to cover a new chapter, that is some applications of trigonometry, and here we are going to cover exercise 9.1 from chapter 9 from class 10th. Let's start the first part of the video, which is covering question number 1 to 6. So let's start with the very first question, that is question number 1. So in question number 1 there is written, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. So now you have to see figure. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly tied on the top of the pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope is ground level is 30 degree. So we have to find the height of the pole. In given figure, AB is pole, AB is pole and AC is a rope. AC is the rope in triangle ABC. So AB upon AC is equals to sin 30 degree is equals to AB upon 20 is equals to 1 upon 2 is equals to AB is equals to 20 upon 2. After solving this we get 10. Hence the height of the pole is 10 meter. So now let's come to the next part of the same exercise. So there is question number 2, and question number 2 says a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. This distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Foot and touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So we have to find the height of the tree. Let AC is the tree which breaks at B and the broken part AB become A, B. In triangle ABC, BC upon A, C is equals to tan 30 degree is equals to BC upon 8 is equals to 1 upon root 3. BC is equals to 8 upon root 3 and A, C upon A, B is equals to cos 30 degree is equals to 8 upon A, B is equals to root 3 upon 2 is A, B is equals to 16 upon root 3. Height of the tree is equals to AC is equals to AB plus BC is equals to A, B plus BC. So let's solve this. 16 upon root 3 plus 8 upon root 3 is equals to 24 upon root 3 is equals to 24 root 3 upon 3 is equals to 8 root 3. Hence the height of the tree is 8 root 3. So now let's come to the next part of the same exercise, exercise 9.1. Question number 3. Question number 3 says a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, C prefer to have slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meter and it's inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas for elder children she wants to have the step slides at the height of 3 meter and inclined at the angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each cases? So here is the diagram. AB is 3 meter, this is the slide, and this is for elder children. Let AC be the slide, AC be the slide for children below age 5 year. AC will be the slide for children below 5 years. Let height of the slide is 1.5 centimeter, inclined at 30 degree. Inclined at 30 degree in triangle ABC. AB upon AC is equals to sin 30 degree. 15 upon AC is equals to 1 upon 2. Then AC equals to 3. So after doing this, let AC be the slide for the children above 5 years, which is 3 meter high and inclined at 60 degree, given in the figure. This inclined at 60 degree with the horizontal in triangle ABC. So AB upon AC is equals to 6 upon root 3 is equals to 6 root 3 upon 3 is equals to 2 root 3. Hence the height of the slides are 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter. So now let's start question number 4 from the same exercise 9.1, which says the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Let AB is the tower and C is the point 30 meter away from the foot of the tower in triangle ABC. AB upon BC is equals to tan 30 degree. AB upon 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3. AB is equal to 30 upon root 3 is equals to 30 root 3 upon 3 is equals to 10 root 3. Hence the height of the tower is 10 root 3 and the figure is given here. Now let's come to the next question, that is question number 5, which says a kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. The inclination is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. We have to find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Let K be the kite and P is the point where the string is tied on the ground in triangle KLP. KL upon KP is equals to sin 60 degree is equals to 60 upon KP is equals to root 3 upon 2 is equals to AB is equals to 120 upon root 3 is equals to 120 root 3 upon 3 is equals to 40 root 3. Hence the length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. Now let's come to the next question, that is question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Let PQ is building and as in a boy 1.5 meter tall, he moves from S to T towards building. Here PQ is equals to 30 meter, therefore PR is equals to PQ minus RQ is equals to 30 minus 1.5 meter is equals to 8.5 meter is equals to 57 slash 2 meter. In triangle PAR, PR upon AR is tan 30 degree, that will be 57 slash 2 upon AR is equals to 1 upon root 3 is equals to AR is equals to 57 root 3 upon 2. In triangle PRB, PR upon BR is equals to tan 60 degree. We get 57 slash 2 upon BR is equals to root 3. BR is equals to 57 upon 2 root 3 is equals to 57 root 3 upon 6 is equals to 19 root 3 upon 2. So now distance walked towards building is equals to ST is equals to AB is equals to AR minus BR is equals to 57 root 3 upon 2 minus 19 root 3 minus 2 is equals to 38 root 3 upon 2 is equals to 19 root 3. Hence the distance travel or walk towards a building is 19 root 3 meter. So this is all for exercise 9.1. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video as much as you can. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Agla Sim School. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Till then, take care. Bye bye.